Okay, so we're back out in the garage once again. I have here a 95 Ford Taurus. No, this is a Contour, not a Taurus. Kind of the same, a little difference. But it's got the 2.0 motor, it's a 4-cylinder. I've got the valve cover off right now. The complaint on this car is it would randomly misfire, and the person thought that their catalytic converter is clogged. No. So when you have spark plugs, wires that look like that right there, one thing you need to kind of just take an inspection of is down in there. Because basically what I found was the spark plugs were saturated in oil, plus the oil was running up the spark plug wire, which, you know, was causing havoc with the ignition system on this car, and it was basically kind of grounding itself out and blah 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 blah. But hopefully you can see those real well. They've been in there a while. They need replaced. They're all sorts of out of gap, and just good time to replace. So yeah, I've got a brand new gasket for it. This is just a quick tip. But yeah, if you're having a little misfiring problem, why don't you inspect your spark plug wires? And plus, you want to look on these for burnt, kind of like a graying. It's basically like an electrical fire down in the end. I still got to clean these up a little bit more, but they'll be ready to go back on. You might be a little bit cracked. I've seen the redneck fix of just taking some electrical tape and insulating it, a few wraps around it, insulate it so it doesn't try to fire out against the aluminum wall there. So, you know, can you hear it? Let's see if here's my little test. Got my wire here. Can you see that? Right outside the boot. That will cause a misfire every time. So we're going to do the redneck fix, put a little electrical tape around it, because they don't want to spend the money on the wires. So, yep, we'll just strap a little electrical tape around it and call it a day. So, yeah, that's what I got in the garage right now. A simple little fix, and this thing will be back on the road. New valve cover gasket, new plugs, ship her out. So that's about all I got on this job. So hopefully here soon we might actually have an engine swap coming up in a, what is that, a 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So we'll see what happens there, if that comes here or not. Because got the engine hoist right there. It's ready to go. I'm ready for the job. So I don't know. But the video is what it is, and that's all I got for right now. So comment, rate, subscribe, and have a nice day.